Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyDude 007 channel and another installment of Now That's Cool. Today I want to share with you a build by our good friend Matt Hickey over at Matt's Models and More. If you hadn't checked out that channel, be sure you head over and check it out. You're going to learn some great stuff and see some absolutely awesome builds. Today I want to share with you Matt's build of a 1955 Chrysler 300 that is not just a cool paint job. It's a unique blend, and I just fell in love with it. But the story Matt has behind it really makes it cool. Let's have a look. Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com. This is one of those builds that gets your attention from across the room, and you just got to go check it out right now. Everything about it just works. The flat olive drab finish, all of the chrome was replaced with a high gloss black. The top was a high gloss white. The satin finish on the wheels, the white wall. I mean, this thing's just cool. And it just works. And Matt's story behind it, I think you're going to enjoy that. And, of course, I love detailing engines, and I love Mopars. So this MCV product, 426 Hemi, was perfect for this car. Also note the battery. That is one of MCV products as well. And those battery terminals, this is some next-level stuff. Great 3D stuff. And if you're interested in that, head over to mcvproducts.com and check it out. But everything about it, the stance, just beautiful. The side slant open hood, everything just works on this thing. The oxblood red kind of interior, it all just beautiful together. Great looking front end, as you see there. And for the veterans, I don't need to tell you what pop smoke means, so hey, there you go. And I love the South Carolina tag. It's just cool. Well, hey, listen to what Matt has to tell us about this, and stick around to the end. I got a few extra slides that I didn't show yet, so enjoy. Hey guys, we're here with Matt's Models and More, and he has something cool to share. Matt, tell us about this thing.
This is a Mobius kit. It's a 1955 Chrysler 300, and I wanted to do something extremely different that I haven't seen much of. So I go to a lot of IPMS shows that kind of, show a lot of military base. So I was like, let's do a military hot rod. So I kind of had a theme of this before I started building it, of a guy that came back from Vietnam, did his tour, did a lot of basically serving us and his country, and you come back to a country that's spitting on you and not happy with you for what you did, and he decided to treat himself and got him an old 55 Chrysler and decided to hot rod it out and put some red wheels on it. He wanted the black trim and red interior, and he swapped it, put a dual carb hooding in there, put some velour front dash, rear dash panel. He just lowered it, made it that old school hot rod, and then of course we had to put some glue bombs on there as well. It's just something that kind of invented as a little joke. But pop smoke, he put on the back, which means to depart hastily.
Yes.
So just thought that was a little cool theme, and I named the car Pop Smoke. So just wanted to do something a little different, and I wanted the roof to be shiny and olive drab flat paint, and I also wanted the trim to be shiny as well. So all of the trim is gloss black. Even the trim around the windows, which I was just saying I will never do that again. That's a lot harder than bare metal full. And then of course, painted the rest of the trim, the grill. Of course, I plugged the engine, and I got the engine from Matt at mcvproducts.com, and just detailed it out. Had some fun with it.
Well, I tell you, everything just works. The flat finish, the gloss top, and I love the blacked out. Not just that it's blacked out, but it's gloss black.
Yeah. I thought it would be a little bit different if I had the matte with the gloss kind of working together.
Well, it works, dude.
I really appreciate it.
All right.
It was fun.
Well, Matt, thank you, my friend.
Thank you so
We'll
much.
see you, buddy.
All right.